Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. By now you should be enjoying my vlogmas video. So guys, let's go into this one. So in today's video I want to share with you this delicious and yummy Chinese fried rice. Yes, it's also called egg fried rice here in Nigeria, but the real is from Chinese. So I'll be teaching you how to make it. Yes, this rice is very simple. And guess what? This recipe was founded by you trying to salvage your white rice. You know, when you have leftover white rice or daybreak white rice, you just want to enjoy it in another way, or probably your stew has run out and you still have rice. Yeah, that is how this recipe came up. Yeah, I heard from the source, so don't worry about where I heard it from. So guys, as you can see, I've already gone ahead to scramble my eggs. This egg had nothing in it, no salt, nothing at all. So I've already gone ahead to salvage it. Now I'm going to introduce you to my ingredients. Let me quickly introduce you to my ingredients, like the veggies and everything I'll be needing. Okay, so here I have onion. Okay, let me start with onion. I have the spring onion that I chopped underneath, and here I have the normal red onion. Okay, and here I have some sausages. The best thing to use is actually shrimps, baby shrimps, but because my vendor doesn't have available and yeah, I can't go out, I'm going to substitute with sausages. And yeah, I have my veggies. I have some finely chopped carrots. See, for this particular rice, you need your carrot to be finely chopped, not bulky. It has to be like very tiny like this. That way you enjoy eating your rice. And yeah, I have green and red bell peppers, and I have the spring onion. Of course, I have spring onion today. Okay, so yeah, I have some green peas and yeah, some sweet corn as well. These are canned. I just wash them up, and yeah, this is canned. Yeah, I have my minced ginger and garlic. See, for any Chinese cuisine, you need ginger and garlic, fresh ones. I'm not talking about those dried ones you buy in packs. I'm talking about freshly minced ones. You don't use dry ones, you need freshly minced ones, and these add a very good amount of flavor to your food. And over here for my saucing, I have light soy sauce. If I'm adding anything else, I'll show you guys while the video is going. I have light soy sauce, and of course I have some sesame oil here. This oil is a game changer. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so for this you can actually do with dark soy sauce, but I don't like mine coming too brown, so I go for white soy sauce, light soy sauce rather. Okay, so I have my rice already pre-cooked, which you'll be seeing as the video goes, but yeah, this is like everything, the major things that you need. So guys, let's get right into the video. So first thing first, you want to add drizzle some vegetable oil into your wok. See, you need a wok for this because you're going to be stirring a lot. Okay, so you want to drizzle some vegetable oil into your wok, and as well as add some amount of sesame oil. This process depends on the amount of rice you're making, though you don't want this to be too oily, so it depends on the amount of rice and veggies you are working with. So you want to drizzle that in there and allow it to be very hot. Then you go ahead and add the added veggies, which is your carrots. Okay, you want to add your carrots first because of course it's hard, and yeah, you want to just stir this until it's well coated with your oil and it's a bit cooked. Okay, so let's keep stirring. So I'm going to add my onion to that mix. See, don't mind the way I cut my own onion. That's how I want it. You can go ahead and chop it in smaller bits, or better still, just grate it if you are the type that doesn't like seeing onion. But please try and put onion because of the flavor it gives this dish. Okay. It's time to add our bell peppers and stir. By now, you should be happy about the colors already. So go ahead and add your sweet corn, your green peas, and also your sausages. But guys, it was at this point that I remembered I didn't stir fry my ginger and garlic mix. So I'm just going to add it to this mix, okay? It still came out perfect. But what I will advise is immediately you put your oil in the pan, do well to stir fry your ginger and your garlic just to release its original flavors, okay? So I'm just going to add mine now and proceed to stir frying my veggies. So once you are satisfied with your stir frying, go ahead and add your cooked rice. This rice was cooked 90% or maybe 95 because this is not going to take long. So you want your rice to be at the consistency that you like it. Like I said, this is more perfect with daybreak rice, okay, leftover rice. That's what you actually need for this. But because you want to still enjoy it even if you don't have leftover rice, you can go ahead and still use your already cooked rice, like instantly cooked rice, okay? Because that is what I am using. I cooked my rice to the to how I wanted it, how I can eat it, and yeah, this is it. I'm just going to stir fry to make sure everything is well combined and show you guys the rest of the how I add the rest of the ingredients. So when it comes to Chinese cuisine, one thing I love about it is how minimal the seasoning is, but it still come out amazingly tasty, and yeah, the flavor and everything still come out correct, okay? So I'm adding oyster sauce. This is Chinese mangi. Like if you know anything called seasoning, this is it. This is what we give your food, the seasoning that your mangi, non whatever can give it. So yeah, I've added the bits, and you don't need too much. Oh, if you add too much, your food will just be very 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 salty or something. You just need a drop or two. So that is what I've added to the quantity of my rice. And yeah, you want to do as much rice as you're making, you want to just add a bit. It's best you add a bit and stir and taste it to be sure that you're not going to be adding too much. So oyster sauce is it for you. And yeah, I'm just still going to add my light soy sauce, add my spring onions. I think those are what is left. Then my scrambled eggs. Yeah, so let's go, let's see how this end up, okay? I like about this rice is how you can use any rice of your choice. You can use short grain, long grain, basmati, like any rice at all. It will still come out looking perfect. See guys, you really want to try this. Don't cook your regular this Xmas. Try this recipe and you are going to love it. So at the end of the day, you just want to top it up with this spring onion. And yeah, once you add your spring onion, add your sesame. See, you want to finish it up with this sesame. Finish it up with it and you are going to like, your house is already smelling amazing. So once you add drizzle some sesame on it, just stir it and the flavor will just be going up and down. Stir it and yeah, your rice is ready. You can see how beautiful this look. I didn't even use basmati rice. Still, it's looking so yummy with a lot of veggies. Like, it's nice. You want to try this, okay? It's nice. And guys, guess what? The day I made this rice, like I actually made the Chinese beef sauce, and of course my favorite, which is the coconut chicken Chinese sauce. If you want to see that video, give me comments. Let this comment get to 100 and I promise you I'm going to drop that video, okay? Give me like. As you're dropping the like, be dropping the comments, and I'm going to come with that video because you need that. Oh, you need that to finish this rice up. You need that, trust me. And this rice, you don't need salt, you don't need mangi, you don't need all our seasoning that we use over here. You don't need chicken seasoning or anything. You just need exactly what I added, and you are going to have amazing, tasty, delicious rice because the Chinese seasoning is so nice on it, okay? So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Like, I'm always saying this, let me know what you think because your opinion matters. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe if you haven't. Show me all the love. This is Vlogmas and I'm doing my very best to bring you the absolute best, okay? So please don't leave me. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. See guys, don't go anywhere. Wait and see what I served this with. Let me give you a sneak peek of the beef sauce because that's what we enjoyed this with at first before I made the chicken sauce, okay? Yeah, enjoy watching.
Oh gee, my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. Bad man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a wise up. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no big good look or stature. I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go